When you open the admin section of Model Maker, you're introduced to a suite of administrative functionalities including Session Viewer, Server Logs, Security Setup, REST API Query Testing, and the Transaction Log. We start with the Session Viewer, where all current running or idle sessions on your TM1 server are displayed. By default, only active sessions are shown, but you can toggle this to view idle sessions as well. This section is crucial for managing and overseeing the real-time operational status of your system, allowing you to terminate stuck or problematic sessions, which is particularly useful for resolving issues quickly. Moving on to server logs, this area provides a formatted view of the TM1 server log files. These logs are essential for troubleshooting and monitoring server activity. You can filter and sort these logs by various criteria such as ID, thread, or session type. For more detailed investigations, you can expand messages to view complete entries. Model Maker also offers the capability to halt log updates to focus on specific entries without new logs distracting you. Furthermore, logs can be exported to Excel for deeper analysis or reporting purposes. In the security settings, you have the option to configure security at the client or group level. This module facilitates the management of user roles and permissions within your system. You can add users in groups, assign members to groups, and set permissions for accessing different TM1 components like dimensions, cubes, and processes. Permissions can range from read-only access to full administrative rights. Managing user roles involves setting user properties such as usernames, passwords, account expiration, and group memberships, ensuring that each user's access level is appropriately configured. The REST API Query Test feature allows you to create and test REST API calls within Model Maker. This functionality is separate from your NDX collection, enabling you to leverage Model Maker for various REST API operations. This tool is invaluable for integrating external data sources and services with your TM1 environment, enhancing the flexibility and interoperability of your applications. Finally, the Transaction Log section offers advanced filtering and parsing capabilities to enhance performance and reduce wait times. You can search for specific transactions within a defined date range by client or even by queue, which simplifies the process of tracking and auditing changes within your TM1 server. The Transaction Log is a critical tool for maintaining the integrity and transparency of your TM1 activities, providing detailed insights into every transaction processed. Each of these components within the admin section of Model Maker is designed to give you comprehensive control over your TM1 server, ensuring efficient management, secure access, and effective monitoring of all activities and configurations.